So in this integration, we have to find the integration of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx as sine inverse of x by a. So if you can see here, we are having minus, which means that if I will write sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So if I will want to write cos square theta, I will write as 1 minus of sine square theta, which means that we are getting a negative value here, and same thing that we are getting, which means we have to put the value of x as a sine theta. Now let's differentiate on both sides. You will get the value as dx is equal to a cos theta and d theta that you have to write. So let's take the integration. Dx, instead of dx, you will write a cos theta into d theta, and in denominator you will write a square minus of a square sine square theta, and that can be written as a cos of theta upon a cos of theta into d theta. A and a will get cancelled, cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. You will get the integration of d theta, and the integration of d theta is theta plus of c, and you will get the value of theta as sine inverse of x by a plus of c, and that's the answer that you will get whenever you are putting the value as x is equal to a sine theta. You can do the same thing by putting the value of cos theta. Once you will put the cos theta, you will get the same kind of answer. So these all are things that you have to attempt whenever you are having questions in similar manner.